What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building, and today what we're gonna do is do a quick and easy upgrade to the Canik Blackout. This is TP9 SFX Blackout, and I have equipped it with a 4.5 blast, a cane, arms, extended magazine, and the companion piece to the whiteout. We have the Canik whiteout here. This is 5034 of 75. I have the 4.5 blast on it as well. Now what I'm going to do is put this handle it grips for the Canik TP9, the Mete and the Rival. This will fit on all of those. So we're getting ready to put this on here. This is a very, very, very easy upgrade. This is what they look like once you take them outside of the pack. It's real straightforward, but we're gonna go ahead and change this up. The first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take it while it still has the white backing on it. You're gonna take it, make sure you know how to put it on, and make sure that you ordered the right one. So you line everything up, and if it looks like it's D1 and this does look good, let's go ahead and get the alcohol wipe out. Do not skip this part. This is meant to take all the oils from your hand off of it so the adhesive works. So even if your gun is immaculate like mine, you still want to wipe it on down. Wipe it on down and get everything on it clean. Get those oils off. All right, wipe it down good. And also I like to wipe my fingertips just to get any oil that may be on my fingers, get them off. And we have a couple of other pieces in here. Of course, you got for the back strap, and this is where the pin is at, so you could take that off. They even leave a little hole so you can still get the pin out. So all right, let's go ahead and put this on. So now you want to go ahead and peel the back off. All right, so here it is, and try your best not to get your hands on the adhesive. Matter of fact, let me take that one out. All right, so what I like to do is find a good point of measure through here, lightly touch it through here, and you see I'm lining up pretty good over that. And you want to check your line there, get it on there like that. And this is not the permanent stick right here. Here comes the permanent stick with the hair dryer. Get it hot with the hair dryer. All right, after you get it hot, get it all the way on there. Let's do the other side. Hold on. All right, so now we got that on there. Let me get out Mr. X-Acto knife right quick. And you see right here we have a little overage, which that's fine. That is fine. I don't even look at that as a flaw because, you know, these are awesome grips. You know, this is just something you have to do. There is no race when you're using Mr. X-Acto knife. Just take it slow. Just take it slow. There we go. There we go. Get that off of there. Now, let's put the back strap on. Line it up with the center. Now let's put some heat on it. All right, after you put the heat on it, you do your fine tuning. Now we have the back strap on there. See with this, as you see, there's a little overlap right there. We're just gonna work with that. I don't think I'm gonna cut that off. I'm just gonna let that stay. I believe it'll work fine without cutting it. So let's take a look. All right. Here it is. Handle grips on the Canik Blackout, and I must say it does feel good on here, especially since this is a larger gun. It feels absolutely awesome on this gun. It feels absolutely awesome, and I'm looking at this. I need to put a mag well on here. I'm gonna go order me a mag well. Time I get done making this video, put a mag well on this thing. So here it is, the Canik Blackout with the handle it grips on the Canik Blackout. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Tell me if I should have left it alone, or if you like the way it looks on there, or what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? Let me know. Let me know. All right, so you have to hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the rest of the journey that this gun is going on, because like I said, I need to buy a mag well for this. I don't like how it looks just sitting there naked. So definitely have to go get me a mag well. And like I said, follow the journey. Johnny Snow up out of here.